how to play Fortnite Mobile with a PS5 controller. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone using a PS5 controller. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, grab your PS5 controller and turn it on by pressing the PlayStation button. Now to put it into pairing mode, press and hold the PS button and the create button at the same time. Hold them for a few seconds until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. That flashing means the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now head over to your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap and hold the Bluetooth icon. Then tap and hold it again to enter full Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Wait a few seconds and you should see controller show up under other devices. If it doesn't show up right away, just toggle Bluetooth off and back on and it should appear. Once you see it, tap on it and then hit pair when prompted. After a moment, the light bar on your PS5 controller will stop flashing and become solid, meaning it's connected. Now launch Fortnite on your iPhone. If you don't already have it, you can play it through Xbox Cloud Gaming, which works great and doesn't require the App Store. Once Fortnite loads, your PS5 controller should work automatically. You can navigate menus, join a match, and play it just like you would on a console. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy Fortnite on your iPhone with a full controller setup. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.